Right. Hopefully you can still see my screen. I'm guessing if I'm streaming, I should be able to see it on here. I'm just streaming on my phone at the moment, so you can sort of see. How will I see that? I need to like go into my account somehow. Create a video, YouTube, blah blah blah, Dave. My channel, there we go, that's what I want. There we go, sweet. Hopefully this will be live. Maybe. Depends how fast your internet's going to be. There we go, sweet, okay. It's delayed, but it should be okay. Alright, so that's what our thing looks like. Now I don't have a HA form on it. I've got my mobile in front of me, my iPad, because I can't... Fortunately, iPads are really funny. You can't bloody share the screen. It's a real pain. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'll show you what we can do now, and the idea is I'll just build a different form for you later, because I don't put photos on my HA at the moment. The guys at the time didn't want it, but this is kind of how the steps work. So I go here and I... Oh, hopefully it doesn't go too fast. I'm trying to watch the screen, watch you. Okay, cool. So I choose my form. I'm just going to choose a KCM because that's what I've got at the moment. I choose where I am, so I'm currently in Reedy. Oh, it's probably a bit delayed. I'll wait for you to catch up. Yeah. Yeah, Reedy, yep. And then I can choose a well site then, obviously. So I'd go something like, I don't know, I'll just do Com 80 or something. Oh, hang on, Com 80 is incompatible, so I'll go Reedy Creek. Okay. What do I want? Picking up all the HV. This is why I normally blow them out to myself, but when you do a demo, you want to just sort of show how you can also look for it too. Oh, it's doing all the wells. I'll just go Reedy Creek 206. There you go, well site. Okay, and then create. Now these guys can do this out in the field dead, so I could turn my internet off if I want to. Now this is not going to be the HA form, but it's just somewhere where I've got photos loaded, so you can sort of see what we can do with it. So you can go, right, that's just a question answer, and I can write a comment if I want, so I can add this to the HA forms I want, so guys can, you know, type some text in there. They can also go choose a file, so they can either do two things. They can, I'll wait for it to load for you. So take photo, or I can go library, or I can go browse and like chuck a PDF. So I go take photo, did, yeah. Well, and you can see I've got 2 photos there. I could put 100 photos there, you know what I mean? Like, it's just, it depends on what you want. Or they could take the really good photos, you know, because sometimes it's hard to see this in the, you know, full sun, because you might take like 3 photos and then come back in a base where it's a bit easy to, you know, sort of see the screen, and then you can chuck your photos in after you get back to the car or something, or, you know, just somewhere in shade. And then if you want to see that photo, I should have took a big photo, but it zooms in. Mm-hmm. You want to do a work order number? That's exactly what I'm going to be doing. So this is why I sort of want to show you, because I'm trying to get buy-in at the moment for it. But what I'm going to do, and also notice some of the stuff I've got here. So this is I'll try to zoom in so you can read the text. This is so cool. I like YouTube. It's funny. I'm trying to figure out how to do this. See how it's got in there. Probably can't read that stuff, but see how I haven't got it ready on the moment? That says maintenance tasks, and the thing that looks like an oil can says preservation, and the one to the right says operations tasks. So my idea is, and then down here, I'll just move a little bit down. Come on, come down there. That says my tasks. They're just like my version of them. So the idea is, well, the ones that, and it's actually, that one there's permit to work. This one here is near misses, when you see my finger. Yeah, that first one's permit to work, and that's near miss. It just can't read the text through the phone. It's not good enough resolution. And then the other 2 are my operations and maintenance tasks. So the idea is when you're offline, when we turn those modules on, they could just load exactly what EAMS tells it to load. So the way we would do that is, I'll go back to here, I'll go off the screen for a second. All we have to do is in the details, so that's just a well site or whatever, I just have to chuck numbers in there. And if I want to go really crazy, I can go back in the database is at the same time. Might just close that 'cause you shouldn't need that now. Save my data.